Want to speak real French from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at FrenchPod101.com.
Je m'appelle. My name is. You can use this when you introduce yourself to others. Using this pattern, you can say Je m'appelle Claude, which means my name is Claude. Je suis de. I am from. Use this when people ask you where you're from or when you want to include it as a part of your self-introduction. Où est? Where is? Here we have où est, which means where is. For example, you can use it to say où est la gare, which means where is the station. It's very useful when you are lost in France. J'aime. I like. When you want to express that you like something, you can use this pattern. J'aime. In French, to like and to love are both translated with the verb aimer. If you want to sound less passionate, you can add the adjective bien. For example, j'aime bien le chocolat. If chocolate is really your thing, you can say j'adore le chocolat. Adorer is a verb we can translate as to love or to adore. In a sentence, you can say j'aime le chocolat to mean I like chocolate. Je n'aime pas. I don't like. You can use this pattern when you want to express that you don't like something. For example, you can say je n'aime pas les choux de Bruxelles, which means I don't like Brussels sprouts. J'aime utiliser le français pour passer des commandes dans des restaurants français. I enjoy using French to order at French restaurants. If the waiters and waitresses are native speakers, they might be impressed, and it's a good way to practice ordering food because you will need it if you go to France. Je regarde des films et séries françaises et suis content ou contente quand je peux apprendre un mot ou une phrase. I watch French movies and TV shows and enjoy the feeling I get when I can understand a word or a sentence. Watching movies and TV shows is good for hearing native French, things you don't learn at school and common expressions. If you enjoy watching French shows and movies, you won't feel like it's studying. It will just be fun. Being motivated is the best way to learn. J'ai changé la langue de mon téléphone portable, je l'utilise en français maintenant. I changed the language on my cell phone. I use it in French now. It helps you learn some useful vocabulary from everyday life. Je lis des livres pour enfants en français. I read books for children in French. Children's books have a lot of difficult French words, so it's a good way to learn many new words. J'écris ma liste de courses en français. I write my shopping list in French. This makes both studying French and shopping fun. Je suis des recettes françaises quand je cuisine. Je l'aime à mourir by Francis Cabrel. I love her so much I could die. Je l'aime à mourir is a song by Francis Cabrel released in 1979. The album sold more than 600,000 copies in France, and the song remains the biggest single of Francis Cabrel. Obviously, it's a love song. It's about a man who is deeply in love with a woman who transforms his life. The song is really poetic and full of imagery. For example, it says that he likes to spend time with her so much that he lost track of time. Les amoureux des bancs publics by Georges Brassens. The Lovers on Public Benches. This famous song has been written and sang by the no less famous Georges Brassens. He was inspired by Raymond Renet, a French cartoonist known for having created Les Amoureux, The Lovers, which he presented on many mediums. The song is smart, funny, and you can feel that Brassens looks at the lovers with a friendly eye. La vie en rose by Edith Piaf. Life in Pink. The song's title can be translated in various ways. For example, Life in Rosy Hues or Life through rose-tinted glasses, but its literal meaning is Life in Pink. It is one of the most famous French songs. Written and sang by Edith Piaf, it refers to the state of joy that love puts you in. When you are deeply in love, everything appears bright and cheerful. Released after the war, the song La Vie en Rose made Piaf internationally famous. The most famous quote of this song is from the chorus. L'été indien by Jodassin. Indian Summer. Indian Summer is a song performed by Jodassin, released in 1975. This song is the greatest success of his career. It sold 950,000 copies in France and almost 2 million copies worldwide. The song was released in 25 countries and was translated into several languages. It's about a man who recalls the good old days from the past. In particular, a magic moment he spent with his love when they were visiting the USA. Pour que tu m'aimes encore by Céline Dion. So that you love me again. Pour que tu m'aimes encore is a song made famous by Céline Dion. It was written and composed by Jean-Jacques Goldman, a French lyricist and singer. The song was the most played song on French radio stations in the year 1995. The song is about a woman who wants her love back and is ready to do anything for it. Je ne retrouve pas le chemin jusqu'à mon hôtel. I can't find the way back to my hotel. Use this phrase when you are lost and can't go back to your hotel. In this situation, you can try to find a reputable store. Explain your situation to one of the employees and they will maybe help you. An offline map app is also useful. Y a-t-il une pharmacie dans le coin? Is there a pharmacy nearby? Use this phrase when you need to find a pharmacy without going too far. Do not hesitate to ask a shopkeeper around you. They might know better than the average person on the street. Pourriez-vous m'aider? Can you help me? Use this phrase when you need assistance and you want to ask someone. You can add excusez-moi, excuse me, at the beginning of the sentence to be more polite. Je suis perdu. I am lost. Use this phrase when you are lost. As I already said, do not hesitate to ask to someone like a storekeeper or a police officer to help you. J'ai besoin d'une ambulance. I need an ambulance. Use this phrase when you need an ambulance to come. Usually you can call 112, the European emergency number, even if you don't speak French. Arrête! Cut it out! Arrête can be interpreted differently according to the intonation. When said strongly, it means stop that right now. In a joking tone, it means something like, what? Really? Je ne veux pas te parler. I don't want to talk to you. This indicates clearly that you don't want any contact with someone, probably because they did something that you were not happy about. Je suis contrarié. I am upset. You can use this to complain to friends or family members when you are disappointed about something. Et alors? So what? This is a way to say, what's wrong with that? It implies, mind your own business. Nothing is wrong with that, and I don't care about what you think. Tu prends pour qui? Who do you think you are? When someone is being overconfident about something, you can bring them back to reality with this useful phrase.
Où est-ce que je peux acheter un billet? Where can I buy a ticket? Où est-ce que je peux acheter un billet? Where can I buy a ticket? If you're going abroad from France, sometimes you will have to queue at the ticket counter to get your ticket. Usually people speak English. Où sont les distributeurs automatiques de billets? Where are the ticket machines? Où sont les distributeurs automatiques de billets? Where are the ticket machines? In the station, they are a bit everywhere. Est-ce que ce bus va à? Does this bus go to? Est-ce que ce bus va à? Does this bus go to? Place? You can ask this to the driver of the bus, because sometimes, again, the map for all the bus routes can be pretty tricky to understand, and you cannot really be sure if you're on the right side of the road to take the right bus in the right direction. So you should ask your bus driver if you're not sure. Où est l'arrêt de bus? Where is the bus stop? Où est l'arrêt de bus? Where is the bus stop? Depending on the city, you will have many bus lines, so you want to find the right bus stop for the right bus line. So if you find a bus stop, it may not be your right line, so be sure to check that too. Le train a du retard. The train's running late. Le train a du retard. The train is running late. It is indeed. Mostly buses are late in France. Trains are okay-ish. They can depart on time. Don't expect them to be really precise. But still be on time just in case it leaves on time this one time. That was a lot of time. Timey time.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.